What is going on, everyone? I hope you're doing very well. Thank you for joining me on today's video. I am Mr. AJ Focus. So today we are getting down to the brake calipers, the ST170 brakes. It is now time to show you the video. You've caught up. Not many videos left to go now until you get to see the car completely done. So this video picks up immediately and dives right into whatever I'm doing. It's because these videos you're about to see were supposed to be combined together, but that would have been like an hour episode. So I decided to break the videos down into 3 episodes. So this episode picks up directly. So I apologize, you're watching the beginning of this video and think, hang on, if I missed something? No, you haven't missed anything. I haven't cut out anything important. It's literally, I've just literally got back and getting on with tearing down the brake caliper. So there are 2 episodes coming up this weekend, so one on Sunday as well. This will be the rebuild on Sunday. Today's episode is the teardown. So enjoy today's video, guys. I just want to quickly do this voiceover to apologise that this episode looks a bit weird, how it just sort of takes off. You've not missed anything, honest. Follow me on Instagram, guys, and Facebook, and check out Teespring storefront for performance merchandise. And also, if you want to support the channel, Patreon, all links are down below. Anyway, guys, enough said. Enjoy today's video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later on. Thanks very much. As well. So yeah, I thought, you know what, stuff. I'm going to rebuild it because I don't know that scrap car. Down the scrappy, what these came off of. I don't know the mileage of it. I know some ST170s are high mileage ones, so I thought stuff it. I'll get these rebuilt, and I'm glad I have, because yeah, it's slightly rough and rusty. That one definitely is, as you can see. And yeah, so I've just been down to a garage because I don't actually have an air compressor. And I don't really want to put these on the car and pump them out and pump it full of oil in there, brake fluid, you know. So I thought I'd just go down the garage. It'd take 2 seconds, and it did. Yeah, you just put some compressed air in there, and it forced the piston out. And yeah, so now what I'm going to do is take the pistons out and then rebuild them. But I'm waiting for the rebuild kit, so I'm just showing you what you need to do in this episode as well as installing them. And yes, there's a little bit of oil, brake fluid in this one, so just be obviously careful, you know, if you've got it near paint or anything like that. That's the last thing you want to do, is get brake fluid on any paint surfaces. So let's have a look at these pistons, shall we? This one is very, very rusty and very, very old looking. As you can sort of see, don't worry about the front bit, it is mostly inside here. You can see the scoring and stuff on it as well, as it's been signed up and down. So that leads me to believe that the boot is split, and I know it is because I don't know if you can see up there, but just there at the edge of my thumb, there is actually a split in the boot. You can see it. So that has been letting dirt and grease in from the outside world, and you can see it's all gritty at the bottom as well. Yeah, so that's not good. You don't really want that inside your piston, and this one as well. This one isn't in too actually. Yeah, it's not that bad a condition. I mean, it is scoring a little bit, so that leads me to believe as well. There's a little bit of grit on the bottom, so that's also getting a bit of dirt inside. I'm guessing the boot is also split somewhere. Yep, it probably is somewhere. So now what we need to do is get all these boots off. Yeah, the boot should just pop off. There should be some sort of retaining clip in there, metal clip. Pretty gritty. You can tell these have been on since new, because they are.
inside this boot there is actually a metal, you can probably see a bit here sticking up. There's a metal ring that goes round, sits inside the groove here. If you guys can see that on camera, if you can. There's a groove here, it goes all the way round. So that's what that metal clip, which is amazing, isn't it? Just lips on there like that, that's it. That's all it needs. Yeah. Right, so I'm going to spin the caliper around. And in the side here there should be another seal. There is. There it is. There it is. There's another O-ring seal, and that is basically, those two things are the only thing that stops the oil from coming out and the piston from falling out, as long as the brake pad is there as well. There we go, guys. So that's what it should look like once you've got the inner seal and the outer seals off. So now what you want to do is give that a good clean out inside and use a real, as you can see here, I'm using a really thin flathead screwdriver. Just go around the edges and scrape it all up, and the inside as well. In here, you want to just go around, scrape it, give it a good clean. So I'm going to do that now. Give it a good clean out, and I'll see you guys in a little bit once I've done that. Alright guys, a few minutes later, that's all been cleaned out in there. Looks much nicer. Right, I'm going to do the same to that one as well, and I'll probably put this on a time loop actually. So yeah, let's crack on. Alright then guys, so I've just got some little wire brush ends like that. I've just gone round underneath the ridge, under here, got all the dirt out. As you can see, it's much cleaner. If you want the new boot to slide on over that when you put it on. So I'm going to leave it here, right, and I'm going to add in when I rebuild them. I'm just waiting for the kit to arrive, so not that you would know, so yep. let's rebuild them. Looking good.
Alright then guys, and that's the episode done. That's a teardown episode on the Focus ST170 brake calipers. So you've seen it. The next episode is coming this Sunday, which is the rebuild episode. So as you see in this episode, they're very simple to tear down. If you have an air compressor at home, you can just blow out the pistons. If you don't, just do what I done. Go down to a garage, get them to blow the pistons out. Takes less than a second. Get back and just remove everything. Make sure they're completely cleaned up inside. And do what I done with a screwdriver, wire brush, and just get off all the dirt and grease and just get everything prepped and ready for the new seals to go in. Because once the piston goes in, once the new seals are in, that is it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this episode today, and I will see you on Sunday for the rebuild. So like and subscribe. You know what to do. Down below there is a like button, subscribe button. I know a lot of you are watching this video and you're not subscribed to my channel. So it takes less than a second. Go down there now. You won't regret it. Click like, click subscribe. Also click the bell button. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, which is AJ Focus. Links down below. Teespring for performance merchandise, and also check me out on Patreon as well if you want to support the channel. Other than that then guys, thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, your night, your evening, wherever you are in the world. Peace out.